The best environmental management machines on the market are manufactured with decades of experience and uncompromising professional competence in Finland at Wille Machines Oy factory in Loimaa. Willes have been manufactured in Loimaa for more than 40 years. The first Wille ever manufactured, dating back to 1983, is still in operation, and the third Wille ever made is at the factory of Wille Machines, also still operational. The product selection of Wille Machines comprises 5 Wille Delta series machines of different sizes, as well as the Wille Optim attachments and the range of high-quality original spare parts that help secure the service reliability of Willes for decades to come under the scorching sun or in cold Arctic conditions. The engineering and planning of a completely new Wille usually takes a few years. During this time, the machine is being developed by our product development department of around 20 people, who ensure that the end customer will have as high quality and functional a product as possible. The product development department is also in charge of designing and developing the smart functionalities of Willes, such as the Wille Smart Link fleet management service. It takes the factory about 2 weeks to manufacture a Wille. The manufacturing process is started by welding the frame structures together manually and with welding robots. After the first welding stages, the frames are transported to the machining department, where they are machined into their accurate measures before the final welding. The completed frames are delivered to an interim storage, from where they are taken to powder coating. In addition to the frames, the hydraulic cylinders used in Willes are wet painted by the painting department. The cylinders are made from start to finish at our factory. The power system is a key part of the operation of a Wille. All cable harnesses used in Willes are therefore manufactured as our own production. The machines are then assembled on assembly lines, of which the factory has several for the machine models of different size categories. Pre-assemblies serve the needs of line assembly, preparing smaller units for the final assembly. In the assembly department, the machines are equipped with customer order-specific options, which we have a wide range of. Possible customer-tailored options are also added at this stage. After the assembly line, the completed machine is taken out for a test drive, where all machine functions are tested and inspected carefully. Quality control is performed on each machine as part of the production process, and a few machines are also product audited every month. In addition to engineering and manufacturing, professionals of a wide range of other fields work at the Wille Machines factory in areas such as logistics, procurement, sales, financial administration, after-sales, and spare part sales. This ensures that our customers have the best possible support through their Willes whole life cycle. As a company manufacturing machines for environmental management, it is important to us to minimize the environmental impact of our operations and our machines. As proof of this, we have been granted the ISO 14001 environmental certificate. More than 90% of the manufacturing materials of Wille environmental management machines can be recycled and reused. We are actively searching for new technologies and working hard to ensure that Willes will always remain at the top of their field, also in environmental consciousness. We at Wille Machines wish to thank our customers for the decades-long support, and we are looking forward to presenting our new discoveries to you in the future.